Right off the top, you have the latest track on Milton. What's going on out there?
So right now we have Tropical Storm Milton as of the 5 o'clock advisory. Sustained winds now 50 miles per hour. So it is getting stronger, better organized this morning and slowly moving east at 5 miles per hour. So it is going to be tracking towards the east and northeast eventually in the next 24 hours, then strengthening to a Category 2 hurricane on Tuesday overnight. And then a major hurricane is expected and making landfall near Tampa on Wednesday morning and bringing us indirect impacts across South Florida, including the Treasure Coast and even the Palm Beaches. And this is starting around Tuesday afternoon into the overnight hours and lingering all day on Wednesday. So tropical rain bands will be impacting South Florida starting Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Tropical storm winds as well, localized flooding, and those stronger wind gusts could top anywhere between 40 to even 50 miles per hour, especially for Okeechobee and Indian River County on Wednesday. So we have the first part of the wave right now that is going to be moving across South Florida. This will be the first round that we're going to be dealing with pretty much all day. Right now, things are pretty dry, just a couple light showers across the Palm Beaches and parts of the Treasure Coast. Hour by hour forecast will see the impact weather all day long today. One of the main threats for today will be localized flooding. We'll see widespread rains moving in after 1 and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Rain chances increasing, especially sustained winds over 60 miles per hour. At 5 o'clock, it was 50 mile per hour winds out of the center. So this storm is intensifying really quickly. I do expect this to become a hurricane probably later on today or even tonight. So it is getting better organized. It is moving very slowly east at 5 miles per hour over the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. So nothing is stopping it, and it is going to go through rapid intensification probably tomorrow into Tuesday as a Cat 3 hurricane by Tuesday afternoon, or probably earlier than that, and then crossing the state of Florida and making landfall near Tampa, crossing Orlando, and still a hurricane over South Florida. So we are going to be dealing with indirect impacts from this starting on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We'll see tropical rain bands and tropical winds with sustained winds over 45 miles per hour, especially for Okeechobee County and the Treasure Coast on Wednesday morning. We could be dealing with some flash flooding as well starting tonight actually and continuing all week long until Thursday. Isolated tornadoes will be increasing, especially on Wednesday morning. So we have the first burst of energy, the weak wave that is going to be crossing South Florida first. This will be bringing us localized flooding starting this afternoon into the evening hours. I am tracking slow moving showers and a few thunderstorms as well near Indian River County up towards Vero Beach, Florida Ridge, seeing some activity, and even further down south, we have light to moderate showers outside. So we're going to keep those rain chances alive all day long today. Widespread rains and thunderstorms in the mix and cooler temperatures in the 70s. I'm first warning meteorologist Vanessa Vinent, and here's the latest on Tropical Storm Milton. It is getting stronger in the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the latest advisory. 65 mile per hour winds out of the center right now. So it is getting stronger and it's going to be a major hurricane within the next 2 to 3 days. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, it will likely go through rapid intensification over the Gulf of Mexico, becoming a major hurricane by midweek and then heading towards South Florida, near Central Florida as well, heading towards Tampa as a major hurricane with sustained winds close to 120 miles per hour. So because of that, we will be dealing with some indirect impacts starting on Tuesday night into your Wednesday morning and in the afternoon. We'll see tropical storm winds and gusts as well with those rain bands impacting South Florida. Wind gusts over 40 to 45 miles per hour again starting on Wednesday morning, but it will start increase that threat on Tuesday night for some areas out there, and we cannot rule out a couple of tornadoes in the forecast as well on Wednesday. We'll have another update for you at 2 o'clock with our next advisory.
Trust WPBF 25 First Warning Weather, #1 in severe weather coverage. This breaking update is a service of these sponsors.